Welcome to the Polo Club of Boca Raton. I'm giving a keynote tonight about my book, The Soul of Civility. Come on in. My book, The Soul of Civility, is the product of a lifetime of thought and a decade of work about this question of the good life. And what does it mean to do life together well with others? Civility is something deeper, something richer. It's an inner disposition of the heart. It's a way of seeing other human beings as our moral equals, worthy of a bare minimum of respect just by virtue of our shared dignity. And that is the question of civility. How can our differences and disagreements bring forth the best in us? How can they help us flourish? How can they be catalysts? How can our disagreements be catalysts for progress and enlightenment, and not things that bring out the worst in us? Too often, we are content with mere politeness. We're content with people, and even ourselves doing and saying the perfectly correct and nice, pleasant thing. And instead, we should aim for civility. That was an amazing talk. The Polo Club of Boca Raton, their community was an exceptional crowd, very thoughtful questions, very engaged audience. So grateful to have been here. Thank you for having me, Polo Club of Boca Raton.